project is GSM based flammable gas fire accident prevention system using Arduino. Hardware connections are Arduino data board along with power supply and 16x2 LCD. GSM modem connected to Arduino through yacht. Gas sensor MQ135 and fire sensor connected to the Arduino analog and digital pins. Now power on this. GSM initializing. On LCD it is asking send a message to store mobile number. We have to send a star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. We will get a sensor data in 3 ways. First one, for every 30 to 60 seconds, sensors data coming to mobile as a SMS. First condition. Second condition, by sending request SMS star as hash. Here on LCD, S means SMS sending. This one is second condition. Third condition, if any sensors have abnormal values like gas more than 300, fire on, siren will be on in abnormal condition. For example, gas is 301. High gas level 301. If fire on here, fire on.